Good morning, students. Let's start our module of civics that is based on the Indian Constitution. In this module, we are going to learn about what is Constitution, why does a country need a Constitution, who all were the members of the drafting committee of the Constitution, and before starting, I'll give a brief summary of what the Indian Constitution is. The Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution. It is a set of rules by which the government rules our country. It is the supreme law of India. Now let's begin. In first slide, we have what is a constitution. Society has a constitutive rules that make it and differentiate it from other kinds of societies. In large societies in which different communities of people live together, constitutive rules are formulated through consensus. And in modern countries, this consensus is available in written form, which we call a constitution. Now, in this slide, we will read why does a country need a constitution. All democratic countries are likely to have a constitution, but on the other hand, it is not necessary that all countries that have a constitution are democratic. The constitution serves several purposes as listed below. A constitution tells us what the fundamental nature of our society is. A constitution helps serve as a set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon as the basis of the way in which they want the country to be governed. In democratic societies, the constitution often lays down rules that guard against the misuse of authority by our political leaders. The constitution ensures that a dominant group does not use its power against less powerful people or groups. The Constitution helps to protect us against decisions that could have an adverse effect on the larger principles that the country believes in. The Indian Constitution. A group of 300 people became members of the Constituent Assembly in 1946 and had written Indian Constitution. While writing the Indian Constitution, these members kept in mind the different communities who speak different languages, belong to different religions, and have distinct cultures. So, in this module, we have discussed today what is a constitution, why does a country need a constitution, the Indian Constitution. In the next video, we will discuss about key feature of Indian Constitution, federalism, parliamentary form of government, separation of powers, fundamental rights. Thank you, and please read your modules again and again.